I'm super excited about the recipe we're making today. It's the excellent kale salad with our herby chimichurri. So this recipe, candidly, is a bit of a flavor bomb. We've got creamy egg yolks, we've got pickled onions, we have feta cheese, our herby chimichurri, which obviously is just like incredible flavors there, and we're mixing it all in with our crunchy kale salad. If this recipe sounds like something you'd like to make sure you subscribe to see future recipe videos. Let's get started. All you need today is a frying pan and a big bowl. So we're starting with our chimichurri, our feta, and our kale. Kale is super fibrous, so we're gonna try to break down some of that super crunchy green a little bit with our chimichurri and the feta. So adding a 1/4 pouch of sauce here. Perfect. Our feta cheese. Pinch of salt. I'm gonna lightly toss this, getting the herbs and everything kind of immersed into the greens, and then we'll let that sit. While our kale is marinating, we're gonna head to the stove, toast our breadcrumbs, and fry our eggs. Time to toss. We're gonna break up this egg, break up the yolk, and it's all gonna melt together with our feta, with our chimichurri, with our breadcrumbs, and then we'll top it off with our pickled onions. All right, guys, we're almost finished. I love plating. I love showing off a beautiful dish to my guests, to myself, to my dog at home, anyone who will really pay attention. So I'm gonna put this in a beautiful bowl. We're gonna top it with more sauce, our chimichurri, of course, and then our pickled onions. So there you have it, our excellent kale salad with herby chimichurri. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. For the full recipe and a textable shopping list, click the link below. Thank you so much for watching, and cook happy.